You fulfill your 5 salah, fulfill the farad, then you go to the sunnah, then you go to the nafil as much as you like. But you cannot increase the farad. To say, okay, today I'm very happy with Allah, so I'm going to increase, instead of 4, I will make 6. You cannot do that. It is wrong. It is rejected. Man amila amalan laysa alayhi amruna fahuwa raddun. Whoever does a deed that we did not instruct, it is rebounded to them in sin. You cannot do that. You need to listen to what Allah has taught you. So when you worship Allah the way He wants, and when you develop a relationship with Allah how He wishes, what happens to your heart? It becomes strong and pure. You fear none but Allah. You are prepared for the meeting with Allah, and you are preparing for the meeting with Allah every day. If you are to die right now, you have hope in the mercy of Allah. Why? Because I'm trying my best to do what Allah wants.